Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, guys. Good morning. How are you guys? How's your weekend? Any trades so far? So maybe someone took any trades on gold and Q. Hello, hello, Jack. How are you guys? How was the weekend? So I wasn't able to trade yesterday, unfortunately. It's okay. I don't think I missed anything, honestly, like looking in hindsight. Yeah, I mean, it was garbage per section. Look at this. Since um open, Sunday open, and until midnight, nothing happened. So I wouldn't say I missed something on gold in Asia yesterday. Hello, hello, everyone. Two small trades on gold. Amazing. Oh, you blew your account on Friday. I'm so sorry to see this. All right. So my initial plan this morning was when I woke up, I want to see we drop into 15-minute flat candle, and I would like to look for long. Never happened. So far, like flat on the day. But ignoring bias because I believe, yeah, nothing significant happened with this 30-minute sweep. Like ignoring the bias once again. Let's see if it offered to R. But once again, it's not what I like, honestly. It's right at 2.5 standard deviation of this manipulation leg. Once again, I didn't take any trades yet. Hope to get something good. But who knows, who knows. And guys, quick reminder, today we'll stream PM session on TradingView TV. So right after the stream, we'll take a break. And we come back at 12:30 p.m. on TradingView TV to stream PM session. So another almost 2 hours with you to stream PM session. But for now, let's see what we may get today. So I also was watching Euro futures trade, long trade, but didn't take anything yet. How against standard deviation? I have video about this, but here's the settings for a fee retracement tool. It finally click above higher from level to lower time frame entry. Exactly. So every single time when price trades to higher from level, it offers lower time frame market maker model. So just your task is to wait for smart money universal, confirmed by order block with market structure shift or inversion for value gap with order block. You got my point, right? Oh, you're welcome, George. So it's approaching 2.5 standard deviation, but once again, even in hindsight, I wouldn't take this trade. Really want to see we trading down to hourly fair value gap. Also, we had 15-minute flat candle there, and I imagine I'm long from here. To aim for some projections because we had all-time high level, but it says like, no, thank you. Like, forget about this. Where's 2R? Yeah, right over here. If someone took this long, that's great trade, beautiful trade. But without me, it's okay. Let's see what we have on silver. On silver, I had a plan. I will be bearish on silver if it's going to close below blue line. Never happened. So I'm waiting for buy side liquidity sweep and in another attempt to look for the tracement down. So it's not valid anymore. CL, oil. We have hourly sweep, and this hourly sweep was confirmed, but only like 1, 2, 3, 4 candle. So 5-minute order block. So it's not worth it at all for now. It's Monday. Maybe I'm asking for too much because once again, Monday, no news. Trump is going to speak today. But once again, sitting flat. Hope to get something for maybe silver bullet. Preferably on gold. Don't want to trade in Q. at all. Going to check news calendar, but I'm pretty sure we have only Trump speaking today at I believe 10 a.m. Financial. Checking news right now, guys, to make sure I'm right with Trump speaking at 10. Yeah, Trump speaks at 10 a.m. today. So let's see how it goes. Let's see, trying to do top-down analysis right now. We have early order block, right? Which NQ trying to inspect, but pretty much once again we got expansion, consolidation, and that's it. Nothing else. Guys, financial juice, so check this website, free website with news, so you can check calendar there. Honestly, guys, are you bullish on NQ today or bearish? We don't have any important news. I'm just wondering, like, if we get something like this. Maybe we sweeping Asia. Oops, sorry, guys. Maybe sweeping Asia high, going down to maybe weekly open. We have 30-minute flat candle, hourly order block somewhere here, and look for long again. Like maybe something like previous week high level. I'm like mostly bullish, but kind of don't mind to see this retracement down to early order block and 30-minute flat candle. Just would like to long from there. Look for long from there. I just feel like right now it's kind of tricky spot to long, but if you may get something like this, it's going to be way better. Way better. You want to see 24K today? I know it's Monday. It's only Monday. We have PPI on Wednesday, I believe. And we have CPI on Thursday. So I'm not sure they want to like offer big, like huge move today, but everything is possible. Ideally, once again, I don't mind to see the retracement down and reaction from this to previous week high level. Maybe exactly same plan for ES. Okay, if NQ fails to take this 30-minute flat candle, at least I would like to see this on ES, SMT long to all-time high on ES. Guys, what is your plan? You want to long from where? You want to short from where? You want to see like low of the week forms today. Okay. I mean, everything is possible. I just don't want to predict something because I have no idea how PPI and CPI is going to look. So we will see. But normally, like most, like 99% of the time, Tuesday forms high or low of the week. And Friday forms high or low of the week. So at this point, if Tuesday is going to form low of the week, Friday is going to be high of the week with TGIF. Straight. You think it's going to be just straight move up? It doesn't sound nice. Okay, let's see how it goes. Only fancy cafe. Okay. Keeping my eyes on gold still. Uh, this morning also I was checking Euro futures. Like I drew a setup for long, and I was like, should I enter trade here? Because once again, why I didn't enter the trade? I saw this chap, see this? Like I wasn't like 100% sure about this trade. Let's see if it's going to go there. I said alert just in case if I was right to satisfy myself with this. Like with this move, it's just classic 2R. We got potential sweep. We call this like 3 dives pattern, right? 1, 2, 3, move up. And we got potential sweep on both hourly and 30-minute chart, confirmed by 3-minute OB. I normally don't highlight other blocks, so just going to highlight for you. We got the closure, this up close candle, entry at the open of next candle, stop loss, swing low, and I'm still looking for 2R. Who took this trade? Amazing job on Euro futures. But I didn't, so. Pretty sure we should go here. Like nothing stops. At least I don't see anybody else surprised to not to take this level, right? Should go here. I said alert. Pretty sure once again it will take it. Good morning, good morning. So yeah, like the question is if from the range between 2 and 2.5 we can get retracement down to 1 and 1.5. We have some fair value gap, some flat candle on 10-minute chart, like maybe something like this. Hope to get some trades today. You need to see expansion above Asia high. Okay. I really don't want to trade in Q today. What I would like to see is sweeping out Asia high, retracing down to weekly open. Not really weekly open. I would like to see hourly order block retest. At least on ES, but preferable on both ES and Q. And I would like to look for long to previous week high level. What will happen in reality? It's just going to be straight move up because like 2025 is a year with no retracement at all. Like forget about this. Right? It is what it is. Yeah. A retracement. Dasha, what are you talking about? A retracement. So once again, it's for NQ. For gold, I hope to get retracement. Like, if no hope for NQ, at least there is hope for gold. Like retracement area, retracement reversal area between 2 and 2.5, retracement down to 1 and 1.5. So basically this range. Maybe like this. Yes, exactly. So Euro futures exactly same. Yeah. Same time for gold. With gold. I didn't miss this trade. I mean, like I saw this in real time, and I even like open Ninja Trader with Euro futures. But I was like, should I end the trade right now? Because only what stopped me from taking this trade was this chart before. I was like, I'm not quite sure yet about this trade. Why I drew the setup because I was like, okay, read the pattern. It created change in the state of delivery. Just let's see if it's going to push higher. Once again, I'm pretty sure we'll go here, like for 2R at least. I see 0 barriers not to take this level. Yeah. We'll continue jumping between our charts to see where I can find better setup. Silver, gold, CL. Not going to touch this anymore. Maybe ES, but you know I hate NQ, so maybe I will trade something on ES. If price going to retrace to 1 and 1.5, I would like to see, like, ideally, I would like to see sweep over here, like potential sweep. But okay, let's say there is no sweep. I will wait for a new order block on 3-minute chart. Fresh 3-minute OB, long, probably to this first standard deviation because we're trading above all-time high. I mean, I don't know. You ever hit the final TP for 2R? Funny when like it's always happens with me when I'm looking for a trade, and sometimes I just like, okay, I'm going to just eat the tape. It's literally going like immediately in my favor, like with 0 minutes being in drawdown every single time. Why? Why? Who is most? It's good question. I don't know honestly to answer how to answer this question. Probably in Q. No, not really in Q. ES probably. Yeah. Yeah, I would say in Q mostly follows ES. I would say ES. Okay, like I made this trade, but once again, even in hindsight, I wouldn't take it. Like I would say it could be like a trade if I was in this trade. I'm not sure if you have like micros, I would trade with 1 minute probably this trade, but no. So far, just flat, waiting for at least something to happen. And Q is going to be better. We will see. We will see. If it's going to be like it was this winter or last year, like fall, winter, and even spring, I'm going to come back to this, but I will continue trading gold. So far, I might just watch for ES, but you got my point. Preferably like retracement down to long, but I'm like 99% sure it's going to just straight move up, like retracement. Nope. Maybe just going to be straight move up. We will see. Platinum, by the way, I need to check this. I never traded this before, like platinum. I need to check this one day. Once again, guys, I will stream PM session today at 12:30 p.m. on TradingView TV. I will be there for almost 2 hours. Maybe if I cannot see any good setups during AM session, I will trade PM session. I hope so, at least. Let's see what will happen. So I have the two gray boxes. So it's basically the retracement area, and here's the area where I would like to see the retracement. Maybe like a bit lower, like this, because we have like flat candle and a small fair value gap right below this level. But you got my point, and I'm going to check silver. Silver offers nothing so far. Okay. Looks like you're approaching Friday high. Okay. All right. How you can get my indicator? I don't have indicator. I mean, I use free indicators. I have video about this on my channel with attached links. Also, if you go to the description of this live stream, scroll all the way down, you'll find links for indicators I use. Yeah, seems like approaching Friday high so far. Okay. But no reason to look for any trades anymore. Just nice move up here. Alright, guys, gold just retraced to our key level. It's, by the way, it's not indicator fib retracement. I drew this by using fib retracement tool. So basically, okay, the very last move down before reversal is my manipulation leg. Sorry, guys, I didn't see that weak like this. It sounds pretty, yeah, I would say, yeah, it makes sense to retrace down, but in Q and logic are not friends. Like, don't try to find the logic, right? Okay, right now, gold in my key area. Let's see what we can get here. Obviously, I cannot see like potential sweeps for short or something like this because first I cannot. I don't know what kind of level we're trying to respect because we're above all-time high, but I can anticipate potential continuation. But yes, it's inside the area that I don't mind to see reaction from, but honestly, a bit lower will be way better. Like look for long in discount, but offer potential sweep in 10 minutes, like at 9:30 a.m. Potential sweep, and then another attempt to long this. As you can see, it never hit even like 2R here, right? Okay, like imagine market open, we got new 30-minute candle. So we sweep in this low, we enter this 30-minute fair value gap. And if it's going to offer 3-minute OB, I can try long for 2R because I don't have any key levels right now higher. Like I have projections at 36.79, basic at 36.80, but that's it. Guys, don't forget to sign up for Ninja Trader competition. So we will trade micro ES there. So yeah, it's going to be 5 days competition. So first 3 top traders is going to win money, and actually money is going to be for first 50 winners, like traders. But first 3 top traders is going to win $1,500. I believe. Don't exactly remember exact amount of money. So from 4 to 10, you're gonna win $1,000. From 11 to 25, you're gonna win $400 each. From 26 to 50, you're gonna win $100 each. So here's the link, guys, to participate. I'm going to participate as well in this competition. I signed up this morning. I think it's going to be a good experience. Let's see who is going to win, guys. Guys, just to participate, it's going to be a free entry. You don't need to pay anything. You're gonna get a SIM account. It's going to be $10,000 in your balance. Like no rules, no daily drawdown, like daily loss limit or something like this. You can trade up to 10 micros. So just good luck. Try to earn as much as you can. I also going to participate. You know, like I'm not friend with ES, but it's good experience for me. I will have 5 days to practice to trade ES on SIM account. Can we trade gold during PM session? Sometimes, yes, we can. We're gonna check this today, so we will see how it goes. Yeah, there is a Ninja Trader application, so you can download this. Guys, if you're new to Ninja Trader, like how to use charts, how to set up your brackets, I posted video on my YouTube channel on Saturday how to set up everything on Ninja Trader. I even like included part about how to copy your trades on Replikanto because lots of people ask me about this, and I said like, okay, let's do this. Here's new video, guys, about how to set up your Ninja Trader charts, how to connect accounts, how to create ATM strategy. So basically, bracket stop loss, take profit, how to trade your stop loss without using your hands, how to do everything there. Oh, thank you, thank you. You know, like lots of people ask me about all of them ask me about how I stop my Ninja Trader. It's much easier to just record video one time and just share the link in the future. turn on subtitles. You know, the issue with subtitles, I can turn on this, but it's going to be delay 5-6 seconds. So people probably not gonna like this. Give me 1 second. Guys, today I will stream not only AM session but also PM session. Join me on TradingView TV at 12:30 p.m. I will stream until 2 there. And this week I will try to steam just one stream during Asia kill zone to steam Asia. So let's see if we trade Asia together. Gold. No. If you're going to, I mean, what's the problem? So if you bought trader weight with my funded futures, just connect this on Ninja Trader. In connection, you need to pick Ninja Trader. It's the same. So if you bought, let's say, my funded futures trader weight connection, when you're trying to connect on Ninja Trader, like connection, you're trying to find what platform you want to use, you will pick Ninja Trader. You see me more than your girlfriend. Yeah, I told you. Soon, guys, you're gonna see me more than your family. But it was 10 p.m. session as well. Hello, hello. Yeah, if you bought trader weight, you're going to connect as Ninja Trader anyway. There is no option trader weight, I guess. Yeah. You love my short? It's just like gray short with no pictures in it. Oh, you're welcome. Okay, guys, market is going to open in 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes. I just took Asia high, right? I will post video about backtest session on gold this week. It's coming this week. Don't worry. I promised I'm going to post this week. Listen, where's PM session? Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you a link where I'm going to stream right now. Um, I'm going to stream here. Here's the link, guys. I'm going to stream. I'm going to stream PM. It's dark gray. I'm going to stream PM sessions there at 12:30 p.m. on TradingView TV for almost 2 hours. I will check NQ, but also I will check gold there. It's New York midnight open. 12 a.m. Okay, guys, waiting for market open, and let's see if we get anything here. So basically, this gray box is support. Once this level broken, probably we will go all the way down to my initial plan 15-minute flat candle. Like I would say below this gray box, I will look for short to 15-minute flat candle and hourly fair value gap. As long as inside this box, like slightly lower is okay. If it's going to be potential sweep, that's going to be fine. Otherwise, we'll look for probably for short to aim for 15-minute flat candle, but below this box. Not right now. I don't want to short. Above all-time high, right? So like probably two plans. It's going to be first plan is going to be it's going to just offer fresh order block to long to 2.5 and 4 standard deviation, or it's going to be retracement down to this 30-minute fair value gap, potential sweep, and other opportunity to long. If it's going to be just displacement below this gray box, no reason to long anymore. I will even delete the standard deviation projections. I wouldn't say like it's kind of obvious right now they dropping, not really. One more day trying to pass my funded futures evaluation, $1 evaluation. Yes, I do use the minute chart. You can see this here. So I just once again drew this arrow to show you that I'm not going to short even if I see like potential sweep, perfect, amazing, 3-minute OB, perfect, amazing. But as long as we inside this area, I don't want to touch shorts. Below this area, probably quick scalp. It's not quick scalp, by the way, it's like 15 points drop. Let me switch on micro gold. Like maybe 10 micros to trade something today. MJC. Let me pick accounts to trade. Which one? Which one? Gonna copy. Not going to touch Apex accounts yet, but I have planned to start trading Apex again this week because I passed them on last Tuesday. I have fresh 20 Apex funded accounts. With zero balance yet. Didn't touch them yet. Was focused mainly on my funded futures, Tradify, take profit, and funding ticks. We'll start Epic this week as well. Give me 1 second. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, we got sweep, potential sweep over here. This sweep never was confirmed by any change in the state of delivery just yet. So once again, let's see if it's going to hold this gray area. Otherwise, we look for possible short like this. Mm-hmm. Let's see, like displacement below this level, right? Risking like 6 points to make 11 points, almost 2 R. Trying to displace, let's see where the mid candle is going to close. So basically just waiting for the closure, right? Let me move a little bit. Because I don't really care if it's going to be just big week. I'm not going to short this. I'm waiting for displacement. Displacement, like big down close candle to short this. So I will take this kind of setup. Probably just using market order. Okay. Trying to be patient right now, like no reason to force any trade. Just going to wait. See if we close inside the gray area. Continue sitting on my hands with shorts. Or it's going to offer demand OB. I will just continue long in this market. But all I know, no reason for me right now to short this. Yeah. We lost connection for a moment. Okay, guys, still watching how we're going to respect this gray area for any trades. I'm going to check NQ real quick. As I said, like, I want see retracement to long. Obviously, it's going to be just straight move up. Like, retracement, Dasha, you're crazy. Retracement. Be realistic, come on. Are you looking for? No, I'm not looking for short. Short on gold only possible below the gray box. We closed within the gray box. Absolutely zero reason for me to short this. As I said before, I need to see displacement to short this. Otherwise, it's going to be, as we discussed before, potential sweep, reaction from 30-minute fair value gap, 3-minute OB, probably continuation to 4 standard deviation. So basically, idea is just classic idea how to trade standard deviation projections. The only issue, I don't want to risk more than $300 today. Let's see how big range. Like 5 points. Acceptable to trade over like 5-7 micros today. I'm still flat, so I don't touch anything for now. But yeah, probably I will just trade 5, maybe like 7 micros. Not more. We'll start at 5, but may actually add. Yeah, let's see if I can get something. Let me. What's wrong with my charts today? I don't understand. Feels like. Oh yeah, way better. Change settings. What's the logic? I have video about this on my YouTube channel, how to trade standard deviation projections. So, oh, don't cry. Everything is good. What was risk to? I will always aim for 2R. By the way, I didn't scalp my funded futures at all. Like, no, I'm not in trade. I'm just watching right now. We just got the. Can you see my charts? You should. We just got the closure, right? Above a sequence of down close candles, and it trace back to the gray box. We entered the 30-minute fair value gap. We got potential 30-minute sweep. Like, okay, potential 30-minute sweep. Maybe it's like too much to say this as potential 30-minute sweep because look at this candle over here. Like, let's say just overall reaction from 30-minute fair value gap. And that's it. Confirmed by 3-minute order block. That's it. I hope you get a solid setup today. Let's check ES and Q real quick. Without logic, it's impossible to trade without logic, I would say. Oh, to pass a val, you need to make $3,000, right? Let's check hourly. Hourly still more bullish, by the way. So it looks like more bullish structure just for now. We're still displaying this gray area, but guys, what level you'd like to aim for if you want to long? Just tell me. Maybe we'll compare this because we're trading above all-time high, and all I can use probably is projections, and that's it. For short, I mean, like, okay, we're breaking this level. I know like what level I would like to aim for to anticipate another reaction. But if I will look for long, what kind of level would like to aim for? Like, okay, maybe buy side here, but what else? 36.52. Oh, you mean like long there? I mean, like, what's the target? What level would like to aim for? So we will compare. $36.50. You're basically looking for short, right? Short in Q. I mean, like, shorting in Q is kind of sounds crazy, right? Not really. Oh, you're talking about CFD then. Oh, like 30 points pump. Okay, 26 points. I got it. Crazy spot right now. See how you're trying to defend this area? Come on. Oh, you scalp from this 5-minute fair value gap? Okay. I mean, I have better relationship with NQ. When I see like solid setup, I might take this. But when it's like 50-50, even if it's like, let's say 70-30%, I'm not gonna take this. Let me stick with gold right now. Maybe ES. But everything looks bad. So look at silver. Silver approaching buy side, which makes sense to pump on both gold and silver. I'm not touching NQ for now, just for now. Because I just check YM keep dropping. Because I want to see drop on NQ right at the open. YM said, I will do this instead. Like, of course. Every single time this happens. Okay. I will look probably for level to aim for forced standard deviation. Can you please leave this gray bug so we can enter the trade? I'm just asking. I will use 5 micros probably to start. I can add to my position once something will happen. I know yet what will happen. It's quite choppy right now. Like 5 points. Oh yeah, 5 micros by the way can be acceptable. Guys, what do you think about this long? I'm thinking about this trade right now. I'm not touching yes and Q. I'm just thinking about long on gold right now, this kind of long. Oh, you already took this? Oh, you fast. Yeah, I would like to see silver higher. Maybe I can like this. Quite fast. Let's see. Displacement, new order block, 1 minute chart entry. Maybe that's 1 minute setup. Yeah, maybe something like this. I'm not sure about targets at all, but probably forced standard deviation. I'm not sure at all, like at all. Trying to find another levels, like measuring gap projections. Because I see lots of people like told me like 30 points higher from current price. I was like, why? I will pull another projection. 79.1, 79.9, like basically 2.5 and 4 standard deviation lines up. Yeah, probably target is going to be, I know, like somewhere here. Guys, I'm not sure like what level we'd like to aim for, but probably 79 can be a good level to aim for. Just saying. How to enter this level. But here's 1 minute entry, like another attempt. 1 minute entry here. How to trust initially to this entry. Well, it's quite a big difference, by the way, with entry point. Like 3 points, that's a lot. Okay, guys, right now I'm watching to probably this round to 79. Retracement down. Where can retracement happen? Once again, it's kind of hard right now to look for targets and good entries. Like, okay, I will look for entry here. If it's going to respect fair value gap, I will trade this. Let me switch. I will try this then. If it's going to respect this fair value gap. Yeah, that's a plan. We just traded to this fair value gap. All right. Sorry, guys. Fair value gap 63. Well, let me set up everything right now. 1 minute chart. I could actually just adjust. Let's see. If I want to enter this fair value gap and I would like to aim for 79, preferable to aim for 2R. So at this point, where's stop loss? Stop loss is going to be below potential measuring gap. So if it's going to be measuring gap, so from this low to this high, yeah, lines up. It's not going to be 2R. I think so. Watching this trade right now, guys, this long. I'm thinking about, I don't know, like stop loss. below this low as measuring gap. Let's see if I can engage today. Watching for the entry of this fair value gap right now, how we can respect this level. Since I miss this entry here, it's 1 minute chart. But because I want to switch on 3 minute chart, like nothing to enter. I will look for the trade right now of this for 1 minute fair value gap. Will put my stop loss probably this low. And we'll simply aim for level like 2.5. Okay. Because if I'm going to, I just noticed like if I'm going to enter like right now, I'm going to risk $300 on trade. Yeah, probably. Below this fair value gap. It's like, seems like 5 points to risk to make 8 points, 8.5 points. Okay. I'm about to enter the trade right now. I like how we're trying to respect this fair value gap. Of this fair value gap, yeah. It was quite fast. Guys, if you're also thinking about the trade here, aim for 79 level, probably 78. On NQ, I'm not sure, guys, about NQ, as I said before. It's just straight move up, probably just going to take previous week high level. As I said, like no interest in this level at all. Yeah, I want to trade ES as well, but ES looks even worse. Okay, gold. I miss this entry here. So bad. Honestly, I could be already done with this trade. Because let's see where is 2R for this trade. Yeah, I could be already done most likely with this trade. I already closed this. In reality, just had to sit here. Three-minute chart. You want to move at break even? I don't know about break even yet. Let's say break even if it's going to break this high right now, then move at break even. Where did you enter? At this fair value gap as well? Trailed break even once. It's not financial advice, but trailed break even once we break this high. Okay. Seems like quite solid trade. Unfortunately, it's not going to be 2R because I miss this trade here. It's so bad, but it's okay, I guess. 5-minute chart. I will tell you when move would break even. 5 contracts. Cancel. Okay, we got 1 minute order block here. Let's see if it's going to support this level somehow. 1 minute chart, back on 1 minute chart. Oh, Trump is going to speak, guys, soon. Probably is going to be volatility. Okay, probably makes sense to move at break even. I see volatility on tape right now. Yeah. Going to check news real quick. Yeah, makes sense to move at break even. I see volatility, like quick displacements. Going to check news. Give me 1 second. Something is going on, definitely. Yeah. It's break even. I didn't see important news yet. Yeah, I'm out here. Well, we'll try again later. Made like somehow $1 in this trade. Seems like $14, but realized says like $1. It's okay. We'll try again later. Okay, let's. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Not right now, but we'll give it another chance because we're still expecting this area. Come on, tell me like you stop me at break even to go to TP as always. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm going to switch on silver right now. You know the issue why I don't want to re-enter right now? I consider this really as measuring gap. Measuring gap means we don't want to see price trading there at all. Well, okay. What is this? Oh, by the way, guys, guess what I bought this weekend? I'm going to show you right now. I bought this one. Guess what is this? Oh, come on, gold. What are guys? What is this? Guess what is this? Yeah, it's hand massage. Yeah, I bought this. I was like, okay, maybe I need this right now because gold acting like a shit right now. Gold, what are you doing? Why you stop me at break even to go to TP? Just saying. It's amazing stuff. Amazon. 668. I bought at 69. How much? $60, I guess. It's amazing stuff. It's amazing tool. $10 maybe buys it. I don't know. It just faster to order on Amazon, right? Well, yes. What a garbage price action on ES. See this, guys? I'm watching for another entry on gold, but nothing yet. We're trying to respect 3-minute fair value gap. I still kind of would like to see. It's amazing stuff. But still kind of would like to see higher to 78, 79 level. Scam. I'm just thinking if I want to re-enter where? I know where. Oh, look at CL. Funny, but for silver, I would like to see still higher. And silver to the buy side liquidity level. So waiting for the entry, like, I know where to re-enter yet. I really want to see at least like pump. So you guys pump like this. But it's playing lots of games so far. Where to enter? That's a great question. But I just realized like initial stop loss never hit. But I wish I wasn't this trade from where I had to enter. Like not from this bullshit 1 minute fair value gap. Had to enter here according to all rules, possible rules that exist in this world. Let me move to the right a little bit. I just feel like it's going to go here right now. If you see on this trade, like, it's good probably for you. But this one is still valid on 1 minute chart. Should I enter the same level? Question. Looking for the entry right now. Don't give me it. I'm thinking for the entry. Just speaking out loud. I just know probably it's going to go to my TP because, like, why not? Pretty sure it's going to go here right now. Gold. Like, I mean, can you. Please don't be like this. I'm aiming like not for forced deviation right now, probably mostly for margin gap projection because we have 3 levels projections at 78, 79 range. Okay. Oh, you entered again? Oh, good for you. Where did you end there? I mean, like, I was watching for the entry, but I didn't really see opportunity. Probably, like, my mistake was I move at break-even too fast, but I saw the displacement. Maybe it made sense in real time, but in hindsight, not really. But yeah, it's measuring gap. Normally, I consider measuring gap as gap. Like, we don't want to see price testing this level at all. 41. Okay. Oh. Okay. Pretty sure it should go up. Like, nothing validates this yet. I had to enter at this level. I was so late with entry. We got the closure. I had to enter at 66 level. In reality, I entered like 3 points higher. It's a lot of points. Okay. I still use this, by the way. Nice stuff. Yeah, I feel more comfortable with gold as well. But also, I don't feel bad like I moved the break even. Maybe it made sense in real time. Maybe not on hindsight, but in real time it wasn't bad. That's fine. It always happens with me. Like, okay, let's say 7 of 10 trades that I got at break even went to TP right after this. Well, let's check. Yes, look at ES, guys. What do you think about this price action? Look how bullish in Q and what is going on with ES. What a garbage. Silver barely moves. Why silver doesn't want to move? I would like to see silver higher. Let's pump gold. Guys, if you use this trade, I feel you probably like it because I wish I was in this trade as well. All right, all right. Okay, going to probably wait. Yeah, yes, just garbage. It's crazy garbage so far. Look at this. What happened actually right after market open? How many stops were taken here? Huh? How many stops were taken here? Do we have a disc reward tool on NinjaTrader? Let's check. Oh yeah, we do have it. Okay, if I enter it here, what is this? Like, okay, my stop was here. I'm going to aim for 2R. Oh, it's basically 3-minute chart. Okay. Pretty sure it's just going to go there. Like, lots of key levels. Okay, I don't feel bad about this break even. I might like lots of money on this move up. I know it's just going to go there. But tell me where I was wrong, guys. Like, okay, just tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Why I didn't have to move at break even? Like, initially I didn't move at break even, but why I didn't have to move at break even? When I saw like huge displacement, inversion fair value gaps, and closure below this equal lows. Like, tell me where I was wrong, because I would like to see your opinion, because sometimes it helps me. I cannot see my mistakes, but sometimes there are mistakes. Where I was wrong, guys? Tell me. Definitely I did something wrong, but what? I cannot understand. Tell me. I will journal this because I'm just thinking right now about where I could journal, what I want to journal. I know what. It's not really safe. I didn't risk a lot. I was just trying to, I just know, probably just going to go here, like lots of confirmation and just trying to see where I was wrong. But overall price action feels garbage. 5-minute chart. Also funny, like, okay, if I didn't move my stop loss, probably I still was in this trade. We were aiming for 71, right? 79, right? It will go there. I swear to God. I mean, like, no complaints, just interesting. But also funny to see, like, we discussed entry here, right? Like, it didn't hit stop loss. which is also interesting, right? You know, I'm not going to put in my journal because I was thinking like Trump is about to speak. I decided to move and break even. Just trying to see real reason behind this break even trade. But anyway, I still happy with analysis. Maybe not with my executions, but with analysis. How to enter here, like, and I could sit in this trade without any problem. Oh, we're trading above all-time high. So I was thinking, like, what level would like to aim for? Like, no, there is no levels. So this 100% is basically projection of 1 minute, 1 minute margin gap projection of this fair value gap. From this low to the top of this fair value gap, I pull projections, and here we are. This level is, what's the price for this level? Give me 1 second. 78, but I would like to see 79, as I said before. But it wasn't too close. It was like almost 8 points away. Let's think about new plan. The problem is it's already 10-10. So basically we anticipate to get the move between 950 and 10-10 macro. But looks, you know, like, even if it's going to play out, it looks so bad overall. Like, look at this move down. Like, why? Why it had to happen? Yeah, my entry was late. Yeah, it was. That's right. I used 1 minute chart, which I hate to use. Honestly, I had to enter at this order block and just sit in this trade. It could never hit, actually. Even break even. But funny, see, it was like 70 cents away from projection level. Okay, all right. What I would like to look for. Silver just stuck, doesn't want to take. Can you see my charts? You should probably. Need to change my OBS layouts because it's so, if I show need to trade, it's so hard to see my chart. So here's the buy side liquid that I would like to see. On gold, you got my point. I would like to see slightly higher. And yes, you cannot see yes. Guys, give me, I'm going to switch right now on full charts. So ES is here. Guys, it's ES chart. What to trade here? Like, let me know, please. Just keep in mind, guys, since market open, it was here. Absolutely nothing happened. How big range? 12 points? Is it a joke? 12 points range. But at the same time, where is market open? 900, okay, 100 points on NQ. Yeah. Like, ES offered absolutely nothing. You trade emotions. Exactly, you know? Exactly, that's right. What a day. What a day. I was in this trade, like in this 1 minute fair value gap entry. Got out at break even. To see is going to go to TP. It's a great question if I'm bullish or bearish on NQ. I guess it's obvious answer. Like, we are bullish. M2 empty. Yeah, it works. It worked today on Euro. Like, I didn't want to take this trade, but I changed my mind. For example, today on gold, it was about to play out as well. Let's see, 2R is here. It was one tick away from 2R, by the way. Okay. Like, okay, today 30-minute sweep and 3-minute OB actually play out. My entry was garbage entry. Didn't play out yet. Maybe will play out. Okay, let's see, guys. Once again, I'm going to delete this entry for now. I'm going to just keep my chart clean. Give me 1 second. From what I see so far, going to be back on 3-minute chart. So we're approaching projections level, and even if I want to look for short, like, okay, we're expecting 2 and 2.5 standard deviation of fresh manipulation leg. That's fine. So I would like to get shift in structure. Shift in structure is going to be closure below sequence of up close candles. So we don't have it. Like closure below this level here. It's 10:15, okay. Until when you're bullish on gold, I have no idea. I'm like aiming for 79 levels. That's it. 78, 79 level. I would like to be conservative because we're at all-time high. I have no idea what level we have. Like maybe something on daily chart. We can pull projections. I know, like what I can use. Yeah, projections, but I believe forced injection taken already. Yeah, it's taken here at 69. Forced deviation. Nothing. Like I saw some people told me like prices gold is going to up like 30 points, but what did you use to project this level? What projections should I use for this? I'm just trying to pick random leg right now because I don't know like what level I would like to aim for. Like look for conservative levels, guys. For now, conservative level at 79, 78, like overall. Offer something, please. I'm thinking about empty model on NQ as well because ESD doing absolutely nothing, like just from premium discount, that is consolidation from discount to premium. Here's 10 a.m. open. Here's 9 a.m. open. Here's 2-minute order block that's already expected. Let's see where's 2R. Right at 9 a.m. open. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. For now, I'm not going to take it. MNQ, 2-minute chart. So what I'm watching right now is, so we got 2-minute order block over here. We retested this order block, but what is important, 50% of this order block holding, as you can see, right? Which is good sign for continuation lower. So also we're trading below 10 a.m. open right now. So probably I'm just watching for the test of 9 a.m. open, but not going to engage. We'll just observe. If it's going to just, let me show you again. If it's going to just displace right now, like good displacement, I will look for the drop to like this, but not sure about this move. Watching just probably test of 9 a.m. open if may get this. Three-minute chart. What we have here? Okay, we have SMT. That's why we're dropping. Okay. Like ignoring consolidation, we have solid SMT. We have potential sweep on 30-minute chart on ES confirmed by nothing because it's consolidation, but at least SMT. Idea for empty model, probably short for 2R. Since we got expansion right above 9 a.m. open and trying to expand below 10 a.m. open after trading above this level. Let's see if we go to 9 a.m. open first. And if it's going to displace below 9 a.m. open, I will look for huge drop to 30-minute flat candle. Maybe. But the issue right now is ES is doing absolutely nothing. Like, okay, approaching London low and 30-minute flat candle. I would say, let me switch on 3-minute chart to see what I can anticipate at least. Well, I would say we need to hold this 3-minute OB, and at this point we should try to drop like this. At least we can support idea of this drop on ES. You said in ES is about to enter long zone. Well, I would like to see. I cannot like see your zones, but I would like to see long zone slightly lower. Funny to say this, but like on Friday and Monday, like today, NQ was better than gold. Never, never thought I'm going to say this, but it's true. So also it's about to create 30-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to be immediate rebalance. Immediate rebalance. Look how immediate rebalance coincident right at this 9 a.m. open, which is good sign. So we can balance this part over here. That's why I'm flat. I'm probably will end up IM session with just one break even, and I will come back by PM session. But we'll see. I'm going to steam until 11. We have 40 minutes. Also interesting to say, look at this move up. See this guy's leg over here? It's fully balanced. Like this means if price really wants like drop, I cannot see any barriers here. So basically, I cannot say it's retracement right now, like logically, because this leg is fully balanced, right? I would say if it started to drop, most likely it should drop like at least to this lows over here. Yes, offering another SMT with NQ. I know, like Monday with no news always kind of slow and this kind of consolidation. Also disappointed with gold. It failed to take 78 level by 70 cents. Why? 3-minute chart, nothing. Like, is it breaker block even? Like, no, thank you. It looks ugly. I'm flat on gold. I took one break even. Not touching this anymore. It's already run time. Sorry, guys. I'm sick for the second week in a row. Like, it's doesn't want to be better for some magical reason. You shorting gold? What level you use to short gold, like overall? She's OT of this small leg down. Here's nothing on a yes. Gold short. Let's check silver. Silver is struggling to take. It created equal highs, struggling to take buy side liquidity level. I know. If I want to short this, honestly. It's getting slow and annoying. Yeah, I'm not going to touch this probably. So right now, key question, like important question, how are we going to hold this order block on ES? Because if it's going to hold, it will support idea to drop on NQ. So I had it here's M2 model. So far, it doesn't want to give us to R at all. But we will see. We're tracing the 2-minute fair value gap. I took one break even. Hello, hello, he just joined. Just one break even so far. Nothing to, too proud of. This is what I have, like, so far. Break even trade. It is what it is, so. Yeah, yes, and validating this. I believe. I mean, what I believe. Yes, just inside consolidation. What to believe in? Yeah, I had here M2 model. Seems like doesn't want to play out as well. It's better for me, like, just sit on my hands right now because I'm going to Steam PM session today. Maybe PM will offer something like solid. But for now, I don't see something that I would like to trade. Yeah. Yes, just garbage. Look at this price action. Like, okay, let me zoom out since 7 p.m. yesterday. Absolutely nothing happened. Look at this candlesticks here. Okay. It's Monday, come on, like, we'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I'm going to Steam PM session on Tradify TV today at 12:30 p.m. Yes, exactly. Took you out. Like, it's better like than last, trust me. What a garbage. Not touching in Q and yes. As I said before, like, it's not for me. I will check gold and silver one more time. to see what is going on there, but not going to touch in QAS at all. Your long zone, what level you have there? Like, share with us, because in my opinion, yes, it was from nowhere. I still believe it's like like from nowhere. You took a win on NQ. You always get perfect wins on NQ. How is it even possible? I know what to expect from PM session. If AM session looks like this one, yes. So I don't know what to anticipate there. You hate Tradify TV? Why? I'm impressed by me too. Okay. This week I will steam Asia session as well, at least one time. I will try. I have a plan to try this. But only for gold, guys. Only for gold. Nothing for NQ and ES. Not going. Don't even ask me when I steam Asia about NQ and ES. I'm not going to even comment this. It's for gold only. Like between 7:30 and 9 p.m. probably. Not available in country. Never hit this level. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Don't worry about this. I'm going to be alone. Like, I'm going to steam alone. Like, right now. Just right now, it's a bit boring price action overall. But I hope maybe if IM session is boring, maybe PM will be nice. Who knows, right? And Q view. Like, I want to see lower, but it just invalidated empty model today. Probably it wants to take previous week high first, and at this point, maybe lunch will be solid. ES trying to break the range finally, offered SMT between ES and NQ at these lows. But also it was trying to take London low on ES 2 times. Never took this. It's from time to short gold, so I may actually look at this, but I see we have 3-minute order block. Let me highlight this. Big range order block. Right. We got it tracement to this order block already over here. Like we traced 3-minute fair value gap as well. No. Just for now, nothing worth it. It will be funny to see if ES is going to drop again. It will be a good signal to just take a break and come back by PM session. Guys, I will stream PM session today as well. Not on my channel, but on TradingView TV. Yeah, if it's going to drop, like, we're going to take a break for PM session. Here's TradingView TV link where I'm going to stream. Well, guys, I mean, like, that's fine. I love Tradify guys, honestly. Good they're nice, really nice. Is this long now? ES and Q? I don't touch this. Look at ES, like it's not really long, it's not really short. It's just garbage price action. We have SMT at lows and highs, and that's it. We're just stuck inside this range. My biggest concern how gold failed to take important levels higher. That's why I'm not gonna touch this. But it's okay. Once again, I'm going to trade PM session. I hope PM is going to be better. If nothing, then nothing. I will try again tomorrow. Sitting with just one break even so far. And honestly, once again, I'm not disappointed with break even. I'm just trying to see where I did wrong, but probably it's okay. Break even better than loss. But also initial stop loss from entry that I took never hit. Never ever hit. Q is respected all FIB levels. Long bias. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, I mean, like, yeah, approaching previous week high level so far. So, you guys, let's see gold again. I would like, once again, I would like to see gold to 79 level. This high was broken, okay. We got potential SIP. Let's see if it's going to pop to 79 again. Maybe 80 level. I'm not sure, guys, about you, but I really see this as still long opportunity. Maybe not right now, but overall. Maybe right now. Let's see. But I don't like right now, but once again, I still would like to see slightly higher. I don't like order block itself. So I'm talking about OB over here, right? We got the closure above this down close candle. If I'm going to put my stop loss at this low, where is 2R? Just would like to see 79 once again. It's 1.7 R. Where's 2R? Can it be another long opportunity here? I'm going to highlight this flat candle as well. Only what's bad about this trade is time. It's already bad time to trade gold because it's becoming like more consolidation. I highlighted 3-minute flat candle. 2R for this trade, right at 4 standard deviation and slightly above 2.5 standard deviation of the 3-minute manipulation leg. 1-minute manipulation leg, actually. I know. I guess NQ wants to pump to previous week high level. Yeah, I will look for empty model at 1 p.m. So I will steam at 12:30. So I will wait for 1 p.m. hourly candle and I will see what it wants to offer. Maybe it will offer potential 30-minute SIP with steam and OB. But definitely I don't want to touch in Q and ES. I probably like this idea. Sometimes it's annoying because I'm just trying to stick to my bias and that's it, ignoring another evaluations. But guys, I would like to see this again. Maybe I'm wrong once again, but I'm just kind of trying to find logical explanation of shorts and I cannot find this. It doesn't mean like I'm yeah, it means I stick only to my bias most of the time because once again I hate to be wrong, but when I'm trying to find where I'm not right now, I cannot find this. Like it still looks bullish. I'm doing better on gold than on NQ and ES. And since ES right now garbage, so I normally use ES as my confirmation. I will stick to gold, continue sticking to gold again. I know myself like too much sometimes. 65.15 is also 50% of weekly week. You know why is Styler Trade? I have no idea who is this. Who is Styler Trade? Is not on TradeView on live TV. I mean, he was before. I know. NQ definitely bullish, and on NQ makes sense to take previous week high level, like overall. That was our structure this morning. But what I want to see, I really want to see it dropping down to early order block and then long from there to previous week high level. In reality, what happened? Just pump, straight move up. Like, okay, previous week high level can be target. But funny to say, like, okay, yes, 3-minute chart, 1-minute chart look garbage, but overall hourly chart looks good. Candle did not close yet, but what we see, we got double sweep, right? Double sweep here and double sweep here. Like, I mean, double sweep. Double sweep, normally good confirmation of a reversal. Double sweep, triple sweep, right? So, yeah, once it's going to close, I believe PM session is also going to be bullish. But at least, ES becoming looking bullish, right? So let's see. Maybe I can swing this, but I cannot see something for good scalp. SMT, like double SMT, double sweep. It was just confirmed by 5-minute order block. Order block was formed with displacement. Yeah, I believe all-time high is going to be target for ES. Maybe not today, but let me read the chat. Where I stop trading this? What important levels in projection? For what? For NQ or ES? Did you take any trades today? I took one break even on gold, looking for this long again. like this long. Again, I like it. But who actually knows? Like, it's already wrong time. Funny to say, like, initial stop loss where what I put in my first trade never ever hit, like on my long from 1 minute chart. Mm, that's so annoying. But guys, like, question. Tell me where which chart is better today? ES and Q or gold? I would say gold is better. At least it was obvious that we need to pump, especially once it expected this gray area. Like, I do stream PM session. Yes, I'm going to stream PM session. Can go to 85? I think so. Like, feels like it's forced in deviation, right? 87 forced in deviation. I'm watching for 79 level. As I said before, 79. Give me 1 second. 79 is here. It's only one good and obvious level, and 2R is going to be like from initial entry at 80.2. Still, guys, still it was 1 cent, like it was 78.9. It wasn't 79. What a scam. Let's check my micro gold. Awesome. I still would like to see another attempt to pump to 79 level. We have a couple of projections there, which makes sense to pump there. See how it's struggling with 79 level? It was struggling here. I mean, like, it's okay, that's fine. But see how it's struggling here right now? Like, okay, even if I want to ignore, okay, it's wrong time to trade right now, I don't really care about this. 79 is good level to be taken. 80, like, it's rounded number and it's new psychological level since we're at all-time high level. I would say 36, 80, 36, 79 is extremely obvious area to take this. But see how it's struggling? That's extremely annoying to trade, like all-time high, because when you see like big reaction, you always think like, what level we respected? Like, why you dropping that hard? Especially when I see like it's trying to form 1 minute order block. Exactly same situation happened here. 1 minute OB, like of course we're in the middle of nowhere, and I'm like, what are you doing? So displacement. So how I should react of this displacement? Always tricky. That's why I said, guys, I'm not going to short this. I said good luck who want to short this when like target is still obvious that we need to pump. Where's my 79 level? I'm just asking. I don't understand what gold trying to do. But once again, we still have PM session. Gold moves during PM session. Why I don't try and don't like to trade PM session? Simply because it's slow. Sometimes I can sit and trade. I mean, I can take the trade at 12 or 1 p.m. and I sit in this trade for 2-3 hours to get simply 5 points. Oh, you can you can enter the trade, just put white stop loss and wait for 85. Yeah, it may work. It's a good idea. How much higher? Like first key level is going to be 80 level, 80, and next level is going to be 87. I guess that's it for today. But I would say that 80 is going to be that's it for today. But yeah, 85 I also like this level. So I would say target range. That's target area, key level. Would like to hit this today. At least try to enter this area. They may play lots of games here, which is, I guess, fine. But yeah, let's see if may hit this target area. By the way, Trump was speaking at 10:10 a.m., but I didn't see. Maybe we saw some volatility on NQ. No, not really. Maybe on ES something happened at 10:10. Oh, it was ES. Okay. I mean, we got retracement at 10:10, but I wouldn't say it because of Trump. The test of 5-minute OB and then the action again. I wouldn't say like NQ was slow today. And let me check YM. YM was fast right at the open, drop as we want to see on NQ. Yeah, NQ just was crazy move and fast move up. ES was slow, but also I would say gold was slow. Silver needs to take buy side liquidity levels. That's why I still believe in a move higher on gold. SPX, you said SPX. SPX expected, let me guess, like gap, right? Oh, okay. Like 50% seems like, no? Closure, open of this candle. Here's a gap, we feel 50%. Yeah, like trying to just be, okay, it was bullish sign. Once again, as long I'm bullish on silver, and as long as I'm bullish on silver, gold needs to pump to 80 level. I'm not going to give up with this move up to this target area. That target area makes millions, 10 million cents. Trump, I saw this in financial. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to post a screenshot right now. It was here. See? Oh, you cannot see this. My bad. Okay, guys, gold finally hit 79 level. Just took forever for some magical and stupid reason. 79 level hit. So right now, once again, we create new all-time high. 80 level is going to be psychological level, lines up with 2R over here. So let's see if we get another move higher. Had to see it on my first trade, honestly. Had to believe in this. I didn't. So 79.9 is fourth standard deviation of small 3-minute manipulation leg. So basically the very last move down before reversal, the real reversal happened. Which high time frame indicator are you using? High time frame candles by Fadi. This is why I love to stick to my bias. Like I'm trying to find lots of invalidations if I'm wrong, but was right with bias initially. So let's see, guys, if we pump to 80s and 84 level. Yeah, I'm going to schedule a giveaway tomorrow. I have lots of accounts for giveaway. Just need to give them away. I don't remember, guys. Did I do a giveaway with funding ticks? I remember I did with Tradify, but with funding ticks, I don't remember if I did this. No, I didn't. Right? 80 level hit. Here we go. We just hit this target area by 1 tick. Okay, it offered 2R from entry of the stimulant OB. So let's see if we might continue going higher. Enough for today. Most of the time I trade gold. 99.9% of the time I trade gold. So next key level after 80 is going to be 84 level. Yeah. I have video about a gold strategy. But this week I will post new video as well. Here's a strategy trade on gold. Only one strategy, you know. Can you post link again? Absolutely, here's a link. You mean equal loss over here for the tracement? Honestly, what I believe right now, uh, yeah, 75 so should be protected low right now. 75, and let's see if may continue going higher to 84 without taking 75 level. Both trade ideas play out here. So, like, I feel so bad right now that I wasn't in this trade, but that's okay. I don't feel bad. I move at break even once I entered here, 79 level. I don't feel bad about this. Okay, guys, gold was amazing today. I said NQ was better. No, I'm lying. Gold was better. By the way, today was first time when I was trying to execute on 1 minute chart. Nice long on ES. I wouldn't say so, especially what I saw before on ES. I wouldn't say like ES long was perfect because looking at this price action on ES, once again, I wouldn't say like, okay, like that's nice. We pumped. But what happened before doesn't make long on gold on ES nice, honestly. To 84. Yeah, you said 85, but aim for 84. It's like protected level. Like levels like, let's say, that ends at 0 on gold. 2, 4, 6, and 8 is usually my targets. Like, for example, right now we hit 80, which ends at 0. Next level is going to be 82, but I would like to see immediately to 84. But okay, 82. It's like key levels for me. For example, someone in the chat, I don't remember who it was. Oh, you said 80. Yeah, it's great level. It's great level. Someone told me like I should short from this level. I shouldn't short from this level. And the reason was market is bullish. We cannot enter like how we can. This model is perfect, like to trade potentials use. But in order to avoid losses, what we can do is just follow the trend. Always. For example, guys, right now we hit 82. See how we stuck there. It doesn't mean like we should stuck there forever, but see how it's kind of struggling to break 82. Next level is 84. Then maybe 86, but not sure yet. So happy with price action today. I know, like, love it. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, that's nice. Gold, have you ever, like, I mean, I should say this, but I don't remember. Did I say something like one day, I love you? Did I? I'm going to repeat this again. Gold, I love you. From the bottom of my heart, I love you. I love that on gold. I love that on gold it offers every single time same setup. Look at this. See, 84. Do you laugh in Q? No, I'm divorcing with Q. That's why I would like to steam Asia, because it was slow move up, but normally it offers fast move up or down on a gold in Asia kill zone. See how we stuck at 84 level? It's coincident, of course. I will steam Asia starting this week, at least one time a week. Because I have kids, guys, sometimes it's hard. Oh, it's a tool. So you can like save this as favorite. See this? Short. You can just adjust this. Then 18 retracement on gold was ugly. It was. It was absolutely unnecessary retracement here. Yes, I do trade funding ticks straight to funded. About to get payout, my first payout with them. You know, I slowly building the buffer there. Hope to get payout maybe next week. I hope so, at least. It's going to be my first payout from funding ticks. I hope so, once again. Yeah. I cannot say like gold nice in London kill zone because I sleep at this time. To your husband, yeah. Guys, this video will post second video about the model that I trade on gold every single day. Oh, initially, like I was sorry about to say this, but I was stupid to when I decided to stay away from taking this trade. I just had to enter here, and it already could be nice win, like 17 points. It's okay. Once again, why I was bullish, guys, who watch my standard deviation projections video? I'm going to explain that again. Who watched my standard deviation projections video? So let me hide. Not going to hide. Yeah, video about this model coming this week. Sorry, guys, still sick. Cannot do anything with this. So all we know, we use it for manipulation leg. the very last move up or down before reversal. So because I call this manipulation, like I like this. And I would like to put projections like -1, -0.1, -2, -2.5. And normally, once we hit 2 and 2.5, but at this range we don't have any high time level, I anticipate to get retracement. Remember, at the beginning of Steam, we call this like retracement area. And we anticipate to get retracement to this gray box. And also we mentioned, if it's going to displace and close below this gray box, we will look for bearish bias. But what happened in reality? We retraced to, let me add more candles on 30-minute chart to show you. But in reality, what happened? You can see this, right? What happened? We got retracement to this 1 and 1.5 area. Also, we swept this flat candle. But also at the beginning of Steam, we discussed if it's going to create potential sweep of this 30-minute fair value gap. Also closed within this gray box range. We will look for long once it closes above sequence of down close candles. And yes, we closed. I was like, I didn't enter because why? Because I don't know why. Because. And I tried to enter here at 69 level. What exact level? Yes, 70 level. At 70 level, I entered the trade here because it was 1 minute fair value gap. And since we respected this 1 and 1.5, I anticipate to get just honestly straight move up to 4 standard deviation. So I entered at 70 level here. My stop loss was where is this setup? My stop loss was below this fair value gap on 1 minute chart at 65, and I was aiming for 80 level. So basically I was aiming for 10 points and I risk it was 2R on 1 minute chart. Okay, I was in this trade, it was nice, brilliant, but what happened here? We started displacing lower and I was like, what should I do? I mean, I didn't want to move at break even, and someone asked me in the chat if he or she should move at break even. I said once we break this high, we can. I also plan to do this. But when I saw the displacement, I was like, should I move at break even? And I moved. So it stopped me at break even. And I was like, okay, that's it for now. I still bullish enough and invalidated my bullish bias. I just started waiting more, and as you can see, our 1 minute fair value gap, so basically fair value that we put stop loss below this fair value gap, holding just weak here, and 50% of that fair value gap also was holding. I was like, okay. What happened right after this? Guys, can you see this potential sweep again? Where is it? Over here, right? It was 1 tick sweep, but still, it was really good for us because we were bullish, right? We will talk about we can do top-down analysis together if you want. So we got minor sweep, and yes, definitely I saw this potential sweep and I saw this 3-minute OB, but in reality, I had to keep in mind that market's still bullish. So what invalidated this bullish bias? Just one single 3-minute order block? It even sounds stupid, right? So this protected low never was broken. Why I call this protected low? Because as you can see, we got the closure below previous high, so it created break of structure and it became protected low. It never was broken, so in my understanding, I didn't need to enter here. What happened right after this? With the trace down to discount, we got potential 30-minute sweep, and we got 3-minute order block. Yeah, we can use this one if you want. Like, I mean, who cares? It's the same one. So we got order block. Ideally, entry had to be at the open of next candle. It's okay if you enter later. It's okay. Still within this candle, it's fine. Stop loss below swing low. And we were aiming for, once again, 80 area, because when we're above all-time high, we want to aim for on gold. We want to aim for like this kind of levels, like which ends at 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And just can trail our stop loss higher, higher, higher. So first level was 80, specifically 79 because it was projection here. Next level was 82, 84, Like 86 is going to be higher, right? Below 4 standard deviation of this small 1 minute manipulation leg. That's it. So basically, always exactly same approach. Like potential sweep, preferable on 3-minute chart. And I remember last week someone asked me why I don't want to use, I mean, I do want to use. I do want to use hourly sweep, but it's bigger stop loss. Yes, we're at all-time high. It's all bearish. So it's, you got the point, right? So, and I guess why I was bullish, because we respect this area. Once again, I didn't mind overall to short, but I need to see this break first. We discussed this, right, before this happened, right? But once again, guys, compare, like, here's the gold chart, and like in hindsight and in real time, it was quite good chart, like good setups. It seems like good setup, but slow. Here's the ES, and it's 5-minute chart, like switching on same 3-minute chart. See what it was ugly. Yeah, some people right now want to tell me, yeah, it was good setup, but no, it wasn't. And here's 5-minute chart on NQ. Why I stopped trading NQ? You only used 1 hour sweep. Trust me, I'm going to, in my backtest session, I'm going to test 30-minute sweep, 3-minute order block. I mean, 1 hour sweep, 5-minute order block also works in exactly the same way, but stop loss normally is bigger, but win is also bigger. So since I'm conservative, I would like to go like for like small stop loss and maybe less win. Then I'm going to just aim for big. I'm not going to like run for big targets. Chase big targets. I don't need this at all. But also, it's important to mention this. Silver was bullish. Silver was approaching buy side liquidity levels. That was only the reason why I didn't touch this. But guys, don't worry. I will once again. This week I will post new video about a gold model. And trust me, I want to be humble right now, but trust me, after watching this video, but after watching my previous video as well, buy evaluation or try on demo account, trade only this model. You will tell me thank you. Promise, I promise. You will tell me thank you for this. If it's not going to work for some magical reason, you can block me everywhere. What is... You can block me everywhere. Which one? I'm serious right now. Which one? First, second, third. I never looked at this before. Okay. Oh, looks interesting. Okay, let's check this. Oh, you want to ask me about if this strategy works there, or you want to ask me by my bias? Let's do top-down analysis together. So I will answer next question in a moment. Let's check DAX. Let's do top. Yeah, okay, I got it. Let's do top-down analysis. What happened with this? Why it's it's so choppy? Mm-hmm. You bullish or bearish? On 1 minute chart? Don't ask me. I know I'm going to overcomplicate everything that I see in 1 minute chart. I'm gonna post this week. I'm just not sure about the day, exact day. I need to finish recording this. I start, but I need to finish. Oh, I'm bullish as well then. Yeah, I'm bullish as well. I like this buy side liquidity, but it's weekly chart. Let's see what kind of confirmation we can get for long if you want to swing this. What level would you like to aim for? I feel like I would like to aim for buy side, honestly. But let's look in short-term perspective where we can go. Okay, we have low trend line that we're trying to respect so far. I call this equal bodies. Maybe that's way to use this, but I'm going to call this equal bodies. Oops. Can you short gold? Not. No, you cannot. I mean, like, if you see setup, of course. Oh, be a part of my community here. I had Discord before, but I'm not accepting new people anymore. Only what I have right now, that's it. No, I mean, like, no Discord anymore. It's free right now. Nothing. No Discord anymore for new people. That's it. If you have any questions, just ask me on Twitter or Instagram. Or here in the chat, I'm going to help you. So I'm here for free. So talking about bias here, I would like to look for possible level or at equal bodies here. So basically 24K retest. So in short-term perspective, probably I would like to see you going there. It's DAX. You can see an instrument at the bottom of my screen. I can do weekly analysis every Monday here, so. So yeah, probably I would like to move to 24 to see move to 24K on a DAX. It's short-term bias, I guess, because monthly target it just feels like higher. And Q and ES, like we got double sweep, which I call like good confirmation for a reaction down, like for this from this level. Dasha, I put as a standard deviation 15-minute lag. Okay. Is it correct? Let's check. I'm going to come back to NQ in a moment. Between 6:15. Where's 6:15? Can you please say, oh, you mean here? Yeah, it makes sense. Like the way the last move down before the reversal. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, I like it. Back to NQ price action. So remember what I mentioned before, when we have double sweep, triple sweep, it's good confirmation for the tracement reversal, right? So at this point, we just got like double sweep here and here, where I would like to see the tracement reversal. But once again, the tracement in Q. Come on, Dasha, what are you talking about? But you got my point. So we got sequence of down up close candles over here. We barely closed below this level. Guys, what are you looking on Q right now? Can the tracement happen to this level? I'm not going to take it. That's all I know. Retracement on NQ, yeah. Impossible, yeah. I agree with you. We barely closed below sequence of up close candles. Absolutely hate this kind of closure. But funny to say, empty model still remains for short. So only setups that I see on NQ right now, like really. Oh no, I'm not on this trade. I'm not going, guys. I'm not trading in Q. Friday was coincident. I don't trade in Q. On Q, it really has to be a plus setups. So I enter the trade. But here's the tab that I see. It's like B plus, okay? Trying to short gold on 1 minute chart. What level you aiming for? Yes, lots of pluses. Sorry about this, I know, guys, but let's be serious, guys, right now. Gold. Okay, it's 15 minute chart. Gold or NQ. 3670. Oh, you're scalping. Okay, so if you're scalping, that's probably okay. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check your target. For scalps, that's probably okay, I guess. You use this 1 minute OB, right? You know, like I hate to use 1 minute chart. On 3 minute chart, we don't have any setup yet. Good setup yet. Because target area doesn't mean like reversal area. It's just target area. Yeah, see, like you said, like NQ wasn't bad. Maybe once again, I would say NQ was a bit hard for me, but it wasn't that bad on gold. So, like once again, as I said before, I'm not going to blame price action, like market, for my mistakes or if you don't see any setup. So it's not because of market; it's because of me. What means 0, 2, 4? It's basically levels that I'm aiming for on gold. So like 82, 84, 86. For example, something that ends at this number, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't care about cents. I mean, like something that comes after a point here, like 36, 76, 36, 78, 36, 80. Oh, invalidated. Okay, look. We always start our analysis on daily chart. And when you like open daily chart, your task is to understand, can retracement happen today? Of course, we can know this for sure. But overall, when we, let's say, open daily chart, I'm going to hide drawings just to show you. Guys, when you see the picture like this, can you say like you anticipate to get retracement today? Like short? And if so, where you anticipate to get short? We got open of this candle, low was formed here. And with this low, we traded to daily order block. This means, okay, maybe it will retrace back to this daily order block again. But can we go lower? Probably not. It's daily chart. Once again, switching, for example, right now on 4 chart, we can see, okay, can we drop again? And if so, where? Here's 4 hour chart where I was midnight. Midnight was here. Here's 4 hour chart. At 6 a.m. over here, it formed a fair value gap, but also it formed for our OB. For our OB was formed here with immediate retest at 6 a.m., right? Over here. Okay, this means what we can anticipate. We may anticipate deeper retracement down to this 4 hour order block, but not lower. But not lower, right? So at this point, what? I'm still bullish, but I don't want to see in gold going lower than 50% of this order block. Like from this high to this low. Sorry, guys, lots of drawings, I know. Here's 50%. This means I don't want to see price going lower than 36, 38. I'm bullish above this level. So on 1 hour chart, what I saw we created hourly fair value gap. Also, we created hourly OB. which is nice. So that's why I said, if I want to see retracement, where I would like to see retracement, to this hourly fair value gap. Because this fair value gap right above 50% of our order block. That's it. So, and we have a plan, like, okay, if our key area based on standard deviation is going to be broken, I will aim for what level? Hourly fair value gap, but not lower, because we're trying to respect a support level, 50% of our OB. And if this level already broken, for example, let's say we drop hard to 50% of our OB, okay, it's invalidation of bullish bias. And once its level is going to be broken, I'm going to switch on lower time frame, looking for short setup. Let me read the chat. I always use 1 hour for my daily bias and 30 minutes. Oh yeah, that's nice. I look into not normal SMT. I look only for SSMT. What is this? SSMT. It's something like SMT between quarters, right? Like we have quarter 2, quarter 3. We created SMT between these quarters. Right. If not, so tell me. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, it's basically between quarters. Okay, got it. Interesting approach, by the way. Let's say we have quarter 1, quarter 2. Like, I believe we like 90-minute quarters, right? Like quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. I believe if for example, we got new high on NQ, we broke a high of this quarter 1, but ES failed, it's going to be like SMT. So basically we took a high of previous quarter. So but ES failed. So it's SMT between like quarters. Oh, you have indicator for SSMT? I mean, I can try this because I never tried this in my life. We can do this. If you have this, yeah. I don't mind to try this. Oh, your scalp worked, by the way. Who wasn't trade for 78? Good job. Interesting. NQ still didn't hit previous week high level. Just dancing around. Oh yeah, thank you so much for sharing the indicator with me. I will be happy to try this. NQ bullish, and that's it. It's bullish. I normally don't anticipate to get like reversal from target area, but we got this. No, I mean, yeah, just for SMT, it's like, I guess it's nothing like just like SMT. Because I use like regular SMT indicator, right? We got, by the way, SMT with silver. Look at this daily chart. So we have, feels like we are going to have equal lows, right? Yeah, I love gold. Like, so sad I didn't find this like 1 year ago, right? SMT just sounds cool. Yeah, exactly. Guys, in 1 hour, I will stream on TradingView TV PM session. So my offer, just let's take a 1 hour break, because I'm going to come back to stream exactly same price action just in 1 hour. Okay? Guys, thank you for watching me. Don't forget to sign up for Ninja Trader. I will see you on TradingView TV at 12:30 p.m. To stream to stream PM session. Maybe gold will offer something. Who actually knows? Like quick scalp. Maybe NQ will offer something good. Like we will in 1 hour we will hit previous week high level, so we can trade something. How can I cheat on NQ? Easily, without any problem. Okay, guys, I will see you in 1 hour to Steam PM session. Link, of course. I'm going to send link right now, guys. I hope it's going to be better price action for lunch. But once again, as someone said, it wasn't bad. Here's the link, guys. We'll stream there in 1 hour. See you guys in 1 hour. Let's take a quick break. Don't make stupid mistake for this hour, please. Right? Okay, see you in 1 hour. Bye bye, everyone.